So, Kat, where are we going today?
We are going to the Baker's Kitchen to meet some friends of ours
We
this
might
morning.
see some friends in there, so we're going to go to Baker's. Well, while we're in New Bern, North Carolina, we decided to go downtown to see if we can meet up with another set of our friends. All right, here we are. New Bern.
Beautiful little city.
So, Kat, where are we going today?
We are going to the Baker's Kitchen to meet some friends of ours
We
this
might
morning.
see some friends in there, so we're going to go to Baker's. Here's Baker's Kitchen. Looks really cool. Cool place. I say the food is really good. Oh, it's so cute. And so, yeah. So, yeah, we're going to go in, maybe meet some friends. And I say the food is really good, so we'll see. Okay. Hey, Kate. Well, we're sitting here. We're waiting on our friends to show up. We're going to see who it is. It might be a guest appearance. Some people we hadn't seen in a while, so you might recognize them. So it's going to be fun. And the food looks like it's going to be good, too. This is like a nice place. Really, really like it. It's a quaint place.
Mm-hmm.
I'll come in and tell me a little bit about Baker's Kitchen. So this is our illustrious server. We'll see how well she does. I'm very optimistic so far. She's been really great, and her new confidant here. So what's your name?
Hey, my name Mecca. The restaurant is good. We got great food. Y'all come check us out. Get some chicken and waffles, some good omelets, all right?
Okay. And since you're training, you got anything to say? What's your name?
My name's Nick.
Nick?
Mecca's training. We're located in downtown New Bern. We are known for butter syrup. It's one and only made here in-house. And we also have it where you can take it with you in a fancy little box. We got some wonderful items like Dutch potatoes. It's one of the most sought after things, and it's one of the things that people always kind of tell their friends about. Like, come get you some Dutch potatoes. Like Mecca said, chicken and waffles. It's something unique, it's something amazing, and we got quite a bit of other treats right on our menu. Come see us.
Cinnamon rolls, great cinnamon rolls.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so here's me and Kathy at the Baker's Kitchen.
For you. Yes.
All right, it's Kathy's Baker's Kitchen. So anyway, so we did run into some friends. You're not going to believe who it is. It's our awesome friends, and look who it is. Matt and Nancy from the Foster Journey. So, all right, so guys, we really missed y'all, and we're so tickled to death to get up with y'all. So tell us, so we're in New Bern. Tell us a little bit, Matt, and then we'll turn it up to Nancy because I know she'll tell all the goodies.
Oh,
And,
you didn't tell me what I can't say.
yeah, they forgot to tell you what he can't say. So first, we want to say happy anniversary to you guys.
Oh, thank you.
So all you guys out there, give us some comments down below and say happy anniversary to Matt and Nancy.
Thank you.
But so Matt, tell me about what's been going on and what the plans are.
Let's start with the plans. I'm dreaming of sailing to Europe for sure, or Central America. That's the thing with sailors. Everything's a dream
Yeah.
until you get out there and the storms hit you and you realize, I'm going back to port.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just wrapped up our season cruising New England and Maine. Oh man, 2024 was good sailing up there.
Beautiful, beautiful. Can't wait to share the footage with everyone.
Yep. Now the boat's in North Carolina right now, and they didn't tell me before I got here. It is cold in North Carolina.
So cold here.
Jeez. Makes me want to be in Florida.
It's
You ain't seen
why did we
nothing
pick
yet.
North Carolina?
Wait till this week.
I'm so glad to meet up with Tony and Kathy here today. They've been talking about Highfield is going to give us a free dinghy, apparently.
Not. Highfield, if you're listening, take notes.
Yes. Patches needs a replacement.
There you go.
Oh yeah, definitely.
So, anything else you would like to add to that? So you're gonna hang out in Newbern for a while, and then so Livy's getting ready to drive. So if you're if you're anywhere close to Newbern, you might want to find out Livy's schedule when she's gonna be on the road. You may want to stay off.
What is the schedule like from 9 to 5 or something?
Yes, yes.
Well, in
Quiet streets?
North Carolina, teenagers aren't allowed to drive past 9 p.m.
Right.
So that's when all of us old folks can hit the road. Wait a second, we're in bed by then. So.
Gotcha. So,
Yep, having a good time. Good to meet you guys here for
Yeah.
breakfast.
all right, Nancy, give us spill the tea.
Well, we are excited to be in North Carolina. It was one of the places that Olivia absolutely loved in all of our East Coast travels. And so this kind of just became home for a little bit, and we'll just kind of see
Well, like I
1 month
said,
at a time.
we spent when we used to come through North Carolina on the ICW or even offshore, it was usually the summer.
Yeah.
And occasionally we did an offshore trip in December. You did that with us.
Yeah, I do.
So yeah, it was always warmer.
Yes.
They should have a warning
Yeah.
sign.
Should
Not
come
quite.
with a caution.
It's not quite the South.
What was it this morning? 29 degrees. I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cold in this car.
That's going to be warm compared to what it's going to be in the next couple of days.
And then I got friends in the Bahamas sending us pictures
I
from
know.
Georgetown.
I know. It's like,
I'm
why
like,
did we stop? Like, this
I'd
should
rather
have
be in
been
Georgetown right now.
Same.
So any thoughts about going back to the Bahamas in the next year or
Yes,
two?
definitely.
Now we're going, November the 30th of 2025.
We were talking about actually taking the. So here's something you can think about when you do a home base, a land base, and a boat base. Don't think of your boat base being in a marina in the U.S. Keep it on a mooring wall in a marina down in the tropics. That's what we're thinking. We're like, that's the smarter plan. Then just fly in. Keep the boat down in the Bahamas. Just fly in.
Yeah.
Come back.
Yep.
I think that's the way to go.
Yeah.
And then you're not wasting weeks traveling up the Gulf Stream dodging thunderstorms.
Yeah.
That's no fun.
Yeah, it's the going to the Bahamas part is fun, but it's the coming back to get further north. That part is just like, oh, when are we gonna be there? I'm tired. We've been
Pretty
traveling nonstop.
Because you spend the best months in the Bahamas and then it's
You have to give it
mid-May,
up.
thunderstorm season coming back. Anyway,
Who forgot?
Bermuda's on the list.
I know.
That's on the list too. You're gonna crewmate there?
You told me a couple of times. Yeah.
That's definitely on the nearest dream list coming up. Yeah, for sure.
Pretty place.
Yeah, I don't even care about the place. I just want to do the trip.
Oh, rough trip, pretty place.
Have you been?
No, but I got some friends that did.
Cool.
I told him he can do that trip, and I'll fly to Bermuda.
There you go. Yes, enjoy the trip.
Exactly.
Well, enjoy the place.
That'd be
Sell
good.
all you want.
Well, good times. We're glad to see you guys. And, it was ticking to death to see you. And so we'll. So,
Exciting.
Don't forget, Foster Journey. We'll put the link down below. You already seen them before, but click on them.
Yes,
Subscribe.
make sure and go to their channel and watch their videos. They're excellent.
Yep. I definitely wouldn't have bought a Catalina 387 unless they had let me go with them and stay on it, because that was not on my list, and now we love it. And it
Yes,
is-
absolutely.
I've tried to find something out. I'm like, no, it ain't gonna happen. So, and also, if they hadn't let us go, we probably would have not sailed, because I followed them from the very first.
Yep.
And so, anyway, so cool.
Don't
So-
blame us for your shipwrecks coming up.
no shipwrecks.
I didn't.
Well-
we
No,
wrecked
no,
our
no,
ship.
no. We let you do all them.
We
And you
wrecked
tell us
our
what
ships.
damage happens,
We-
and then we know.
We didn't have anyone to blame for ours either.
Yeah.
Well, Tony came aboard as a crew member and left as family. Like, it's so fun to run into them.
Well,
we love these guys.
Tony came on. Remember when you came on, the bilge pump wasn't working.
Yes.
I think we had
The
a water
engine
leak.
wasn't, the Yamaha was down. He tried to help us.
Always an issue. I ruined his pair of shoes because he stepped in the water. That's
But
both.
the most fun part about the whole thing was when I was sitting there on that dock, in Wrightsville Beach, and was waiting on Matt. And we never met before. I kept waiting and waiting, and it kept getting darker. And I said, "Oh my gosh, this looks sketchy out here." Didn't have my gun with me. Didn't have that. And I'm sitting there for a couple of hours, and then he finally says, "I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming." And yeah, I thought he was coming. And Kathy says, "I think you've been pranked." She said, "You better call that Uber and see if you can get him back over there and get that car back." And then I hear something, whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. Yep, here comes Matt rowing. And I said, Matt Foster, so we met the first time with Matt rowing the dinghy, but he let me row it back. So
You gotta get that experience from the first step on the boat, right?
yes, it was funny.
And this was Tony's first trip on a sailboat, and Matt thought he was bringing the whole house with it.
I did. I packed. That boat weighs 20,000 pounds. Unless I'm on it, and it weighs 24,000 when I'm on it. Because and I still look at the pictures where Matt says, "This is Tony's
This is your
stash
corner.
over
This
here."
is your corner.
But
And then,
to be fair, it
yeah.
was cold in North Carolina when we left, and then it was warm in Florida when we got there. So
I
he had to
packed
experience
everything.
all seasons.
Yes. So, well, anyway, we're glad we ran into you guys, and
Yes.
we love y'all to death. And we're gonna do buddy boating and sailing and do some more stuff together. So,
Sure.
Absolutely.
All right, Nancy, let's look at y'all's plate.
So delicious.
It looks pretty good, don't
I've
it?
never been here before, but it looks amazing.
See, what did y'all got? Y'all got
Chicken fried chicken with the Dutch potatoes, eggs, and a biscuit.
Kat, what'd you get?
I got Dutch potatoes, scrambled eggs, sausage patties, and toast.
And I
Delicious.
got ditto, the same thing, except I have a biscuit. So,
And link sausage.
and link sausage. So anyway, we're gonna eat. It's good. Matt disappeared.
Next episode on Dreamweaver recipe.
Well,
So there's all that stuff in the floor.